Our team works hard to ensure our clients are satisfied, so we love it when our clients provide feedback in the form of a review. It's great validation that we're on the right track. And this is one of our latest customer reviews. As you can see, our staff focuses on providing top quality service. We work one-on-one with every client to ensure we meet their expectations. Customer satisfaction is extremely important to our company. But don't take the reviewer's word for it. Discover the difference for yourself. We're confident you'll love the value and attention to detail that becomes our specialty. Thank you for visiting us today. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Call us today and let us give you the same amazing customer service.